Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you on how to spend your Steam points. So in order to do this, let's enter our store. Here I'll need to enter the PIN because I have a family view set up. Let's open a featured store like this. Now move to the points shop right here. Here you'll be able to see your balance on how much points you have. And from this list you'll be able to pick your favorite profile customization options. So you can buy emotes for your chat, you can change your backgrounds, your frames for avatar, buy new avatars, all kinds of stuff. So simply buy whichever things you want. They cost this price right here. And after that you'll be able to customize your profile even further. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.